SOAP was designed as an object access protocol in 1998 by Dave Winer, Don Box, Bob Atkinson, Amos and Al Gosain for Microsoft, where Atkinson and Al Gosain were working. The specification was not made available until it was submitted to IETF the 13th of September 1999. According to Don Box, this was due to politics within Microsoft 6 because of Microsoft's hesitation. Dave Winer shipped XMLRPC in 1998. The submitted Internet draft did not reach RFC status and is therefore not considered standard as such. Version 1.1 of the specification was published as a W3C node on the 8th of May 2000. Since version 1.1 did not reach W3C recommendation status, it cannot be considered as standard either. Version 1.2 of the specification, however, became a W3C recommendation on June 24, 2003.